How to use Google Gboard keyboard app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your keyboard where you can type in. At the top, you'll find auto layouts. The first four dots is for these options. You'll find many settings in here as well. And at the top, you'll also find settings. You'll find different options in settings as well. You can change language, preferences, theme, text correction, glide typing, voice typing, clipboard, and everything. If you click on emoji, you can also turn on emojis. Another thing you can do is click on the paint like option, which is at the top. After you click on paint like option, you will find all the themes for your keyboard. Simply select the one you prefer. Then press on apply and you're good to go. This is how to use Google Gboard keyboard app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.